Today we will discuss the concept of orphan drugs. We commonly use this term orphan drugs in pharmacology. So what is meant by the orphan drugs? Certain diseases are very rare, and if drugs are researched, developed and marketed for such diseases, the cost or expenses cannot be recovered by the manufacturer or the pharmaceutical company. So no one is interested in manufacturing such drugs. Since no one is interested, they are called as orphan drugs. Why they are called as orphan drugs? Because no one is interested. Why no one is interested? Means this pharmaceutical company or manufacturers, they are not interested because the cost or expenses cannot be recovered or they cannot be incurred by selling of drugs. But still, we have to prepare these drugs for such diseases. But these diseases are very rare. Now, which are these diseases and which are those drugs, we'll see. Right? Now, drugs that are used for the diagnosis, treatment, and prevention of rare diseases. The WHO definition for the orphan drugs. Drugs that are used for diagnosis, treatment, and prevention of rare diseases where cost cannot be recovered is called as the orphan drugs. Now, why is it so? Because there is an imbalance between these two things. There is a high cost of production and there is a limited or very less demand. And because of this, the cost cannot be recovered. If there is a low demand or less demand, the cost of the production cannot be recovered by the pharmaceutical company. So no one is interested in preparing all those medicines, and that's why we call it as orphan drugs. Now, what are the various examples? What are the various examples of these orphan drugs? We know that there is acute paracetamol poisoning, PCM poisoning or acute paracetamol poisoning, and the drug of choice is acetylcysteine. But this poisoning is very rare, so we'll prepare this drug acetylcysteine very rarely. Means very few pharmaceutical companies are there who prepare these drugs. And same thing with all these diseases like ulcerative colitis. We prepare 4-amino-salicylic acid. Then digibind. Digibind is the antidote for the digoxin toxicity. Digoxin antibody is the digibind. We prefer this drug in the digoxin toxicity. Then ethanol or methanol poisoning, fomepizole is the drug of choice. Then factor VIII and human antithrombin 3, these are the congenital deficiencies. So all these are the drugs which are used very rarely because these conditions are very rare. These conditions are very rare. So we call it as orphan drugs.